What do you do about referrals? Really one of the most reliable ways to keep your business growing. So we're talking about today. Hi, David Chomet. If you're interested in growing your small business and want content on a regular basis to help you do that, click the subscribe button down below so I can keep bringing these videos to you. Okay, so let's talk about referrals. Referrals are really the lifeblood of any business. They are the cheapest, most effective form of advertising, of growing the business. Why don't we do more of it? Because it's not always easy to do. It requires you to come out of your own shell. It requires you to be a little bit proactive and a little bit long-term in your thinking. And it requires you to be a little bit more savvy. When I think about referrals, I really think about three different ways that referrals will work for you. Three different categories of people who you want to aim to ask for referrals. The first, the most fruitful, has got to be your current clients. You should be meeting with your clients on a regular basis, your customers, your bigger customers, certainly. You don't want to be inviting yourself over to tea time at their house on a weekly basis, but you should be going to see them in their space on a regular basis, whether you're selling widgets, you're selling cars, whether you're providing professional services, whatever it is, you need to be talking to your people to stay, one, top of mind, but two, equally important, to better understand their business and why they're buying from you. As part of that conversation, particularly with regard to the second part, ask for a referral. No one knows their business better than they do. In other words, they know and have friends in the same line of business, or at least, even if it's a Coke and Pepsi thing where they don't really talk to each other, they at least know people who are like-minded. And when you're approaching them, there are a couple things you need to keep in mind. One, what benefits you can offer to them from your business to say thank you for the referral. Maybe it's more time with you. Maybe it's baseball tickets, whatever it is. You can say thank you in a lot of different ways. The second thing to remember is the sort of psychic plus of referring someone. There's a real benefit to being a referral source for other people. One of the things that I'm most fond of saying is that you never look better to someone than when you are referring them to someone they need to know. By doing that, they look better in their friends' eyes if they're bringing someone of value to them. That someone is you. Two, former clients. Many of us have customers who we used to work with and don't work with anymore for one reason or another. Now, there may be a lot of excuses. Maybe the business relationship didn't end well. But often it's because the right person, the contact got transferred, got moved, they moved into a different industry. Reconnect with those people. It takes no more than a little bit of asking to get in front of the right people through those former clients. The nice thing about it is you're not expressly asking those former clients for business, although you can. You certainly can, but it makes it less of a sales call if you don't. People generally don't like the hardcore sale business. So instead, if you approach them and say, hey, it's been a while since I've heard from you. I want to remind you that we're out here. Is there anyone who you could potentially refer me to? If they're interested in your business, they'll pipe up and say, I'm interested. If not, hopefully they will refer you to someone who you will do business with. The third category of people are future clients. I'm being a little optimistic there. Your future customers are people who are interested in the information and services and products that you provide, but just don't know it yet. So the trick there is to not necessarily go for the hard sell, but rather provide information to them. In today's world, there is way too much information being thrown at us all the time. By being useful, by providing information that helps people along, sooner or later, they're going to ask you how you can help them in their business. And at that point, you're not doing selling, but they're doing buying. I hope these tips were helpful to you. What are some of your best ways of getting referrals? Would love to see yours in the comment below. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more content like this in the future. David Chomet, and I will see you next time.